Okay, here's a older Arcoaire central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. And this unit is actually a AG High Efficiency unit. And this unit is actually located right by the older Heil and the newer ICPs I just filmed. And I thought I'd just get a quick video of this one too. So yeah. Has a couple installed, pretty sure. And it has been running. It is a 4-ton, and I believe it is from 2000. And this unit's actually in pretty decent shape. It's got a nice logo. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.